What's the meaning of chastise? Chastise. Chastise.
Chastise. Chastise. The word chastise means to criticize or scold someone severely for their behavior or actions. It can also refer to physical punishment or discipline. The result of chastisement can vary depending on the context and severity of the situation. In some cases, it may lead to a change in behavior or an improvement in character. However, it can also have negative effects such as emotional distress or resentment. Ultimately, the outcome of chastisement depends on how it is delivered and received.